Good morning guys. So ito yung labas namin. Mataas na yung araw. It's almost 8 o'clock na siya guys. And then check out natin dito is 12. May ginagawa silang another building doon sa kabila. Yan. So it's gonna be a long day. So guys, we're going to eat breakfast downstairs. Ayan, may free breakfast sila guys. So let's eat first before we go. Tipid tayo, tipid. Nag-loss na daw siya ng weight guys. Nawala na daw yung stomach niya. So lalagyan ulit natin pagkain. So yun guys. So, okay guys. Ito yung mga breakfast nila guys. Ayan. We have scrambled egg. Sweet potato. Oh, hash brown. I'm gonna get some. I wish they have rice. And they have pork sausages. What's that? Pancakes. Ito yung mga cereal and fruits nila. And coffee and bread. Ayan. I want some also. Scrambled egg. A little more. One more. Okay. Matakaw tayo ngayon guys. So, kukuha tayo ng potato. It's like hash brown, huh? This one. So, kukuha tayo ng dalawang sausage, guys, kasi paborito ko ito. Mayroon din tayo ditong ano, guys, this one is for, what do you call? Cereal. Pala, mas tinapay. So, ito yung breakfast namin, guys. Ayan. For breakfast naman siya, guys, hanggang 9:30. So, dito kami nakaupo, guys. Ayan. Ang view namin. Harapan. So, yun nga, guys. After namin mag-breakfast, bumalik kami sa room. And then, nakita ko tong isa. Ayan. Nahiga na sa sofa. Bang ako dito. Ayan, bumalik sa kama. Kasi, naantok ako, guys. Parang gusto ko nang matulog ulit. Malapit lang naman actually ito yung yung outlet na sa likod lang namin. So mga ilang minuto lang yung drive, and then yung naman Universal dito lang din sa kabila. So as in, malapit lang talaga kami guys. So yun lang, matutulog muna guys. Ito yung ating mga outfitters ngayon. Wala tayong belt bag na lang tayo ngayon. So wallet lang naman ang dadalhin ko, and then yung aking card, and then ating phone. So ito yung aking overnight bag last night. So we're ready to check out na guys, and then do some shopping. Then after that, going on Universal later. So cheers. So yun na guys, mag-check out na kami ni Jan. And then ito yung outfit natin ngayon. Yan, mag-shirt lang tayo, and then mayroon tayong bag. Ito yung bag kasi wallet and cash lang naman dala natin, and card. Yan, pupunta kami sa outlet hanggang doon sa amin sa likod.